Welcome you all. Welcome to the Salesforce training video series. And today we will discuss about the today we will discuss about that what is that lookup queries, and in the last in the previous session we will discuss about that price rule, how we will create the price rule, and what are the various types of price rules, how we can create, and we also create do some small hands-on on that part. So there is another topic in that price rules also, lookup queries, and we use this lookup object and lookup queries in the product rule also, and product rule also. And this is a very useful in the Salesforce CPQ. So we will discuss about that, how we can create the price lookup queries, and we also do some hands-on experience on that part. So, what is lookup queries? Lookup queries is we can be created on product rule and price rule to evaluate the field on object other than code lookup queries. Reference to fields on the object you can compare against the code line, product option, and many more. Okay, so what is that conclusion is that, so in this things you are creating a small a custom object. In that you will store the various fields value. Let's suppose that an account, code, opportunity. So you are storing some fields value, and we are combining all that one in a single, storing the data in a single format, and then you are using on that one. Okay, so this is all about the lookup object. How we are creating in the custom metadata, or in the Salesforce, we are doing in the same manner. We are also creating in the lookup query, lookup object. Okay, so there are we have a few fields in the object, lookup queries while creating on that one. So, tested object. What is the tested object? It is either code line or product. So this is the few uh, configurator ones. So this is a tested object, tested field in which particular fields we are updating, or we are performing some task and all other things. And after that, what is the match type? It is a field value, a static value, or what is that one? Tested value is means what is the value. I will show you that what is all about that one. And lookup fields all about that, what is the field value you are comparing with that to the custom object field value. So you are doing so. Let's move to the our Salesforce all. So from here, so I will show you that how lookup queries is working on that one. Let me search here. Lookup queries. Okay, I already created for the timing, but yeah, let me show you that how it is. So on the price rule or product rule, you see the lookup queries and lookup object. In the product rule also, you see these things. In the product rule, when we are creating the product rule, so you also see that there is a field called as lookup object here. Somewhere it mentioned lookup. See, lookup type field, lookup object is there. So lookup type field, lookup product field, required field message. So this is that all about that one. We can also use lookup queries here also, and the price rule. So today in this session for the demo ones, we are using this in the price rule only right now. So what is the field name? So this is a match type. From here, it is a fictitious value called three values. Field value, static value. If you are comparing with the particular static value, let's suppose that product name is laptop. So this way you are using the static value. Field value, when you are comparing with the um, a field API name to another field value. So this is all about that one. Configuration attribute value is all we are creating the summary variable and all when you are comparing with this to the another field value. So this is all about that one. Okay. And here for the lookup queries, we are using the lookup object and all. So here in this scenario, what is that now? On the quote line, we have a product family. We are comparing that product family to uh, uh, product partner discount product family field value. So we created a custom object. That custom object is called as a let me open the custom object. Okay. Okay, I didn't create the tab. Let me create the tab for this one. So means when we create the lookup object and lookup type of custom objects and all. So when you are getting the when business, when you have a requirement to create a these things like that. Uh, Suppose that when we are comparing with the multiple values, let's suppose A, B from the different object, the fields value is coming up, popping up, and so you need to creating us comparing a data with the different outset. So at that time, you are creating a lookup queries, a lookup object for that one. So this is all about that one. Mm, Let me open the tabs here, save, and let me search the partner level discounts. So here, so we created a custom object. From this custom object, I created a three fields here, and in these three fields, let me open that one. Selected display, uh, product family, partner level, and partner discounts. Yeah. So, so what is that? On the if on the product family, if the product family of the particular quote line is belongs to hardware or software, and on the quote level, we also have a field called partner level. If it is this one platinum or means I'm taking a small example, then we are giving the 5% discount for the partner discount to the particular customer. So in this way, it is working on such. Okay. So we also create a multiple combination. So in this one, but make sure when we are defining this combination, it will not create a duplicate records. So for if you are creating duplicates record of this, then ultimately you will receive an error message that the multiple fields value we receiving. So please check the price rule. You also they will also suggest you the price rule of that one. So for this one, so I created a custom object called a partner level discount, and for this one, we need to update the API name field API name in this field. We will update the object API name from this field, and how we will update these things. Let me show you here. And for the partner level discount, we will add the fields API name for the particular object to lookup lookup object. Here we need to update the API name. Or we always use the API name for that one. So you can use this API name. Okay. After that, what we need to, our price rule is ready. Now we will create it. Earlier we are using the price condition, but in this case, we also use the price condition, but in this case, we are not using the price condition. Price condition is generally what is that where condition, how where condition is using in that entry criteria of that one. So in our previous session, we will created the price condition. So in this, because this is late, this session is all about the lookup queries. So we will created the lookup queries here. What is the all about that? So let me open this lookup query. What is that one? Here the mesh type I already defined here. It is a three pick list value. What is that? Static field value and configuration attribute value. Okay, so here we are choosing the field value where quote line means product option of product family equals to equal to their this lookup object product family means this product family, this object product family. So this is the comparison, first comparison. Okay. Now tested value, what is that? If you are using the tested value, let's suppose that if you are using the static value, then you will put here. If you are using the configuration attribute, if you are using the summary variable and all, so then you can comparison, you can use the here also. Okay. So for this one, this is our first condition. And now second condition, what is the second condition? Here we also choose the check the on the we are, same here we also need to on the lookup field object lookup field, you also need to update the partner level and partner product family. You also need to add the API name from this pick list value. Okay. For this object lookup on the lookup field. Okay. So now in this condition, what we need to do, we need to create on the quote object where partner level, we created a custom field called partner level, and partner level equal to partner level discount, uh, partner level discount object, partner level field value. We are comparing both the things. Okay. So if the both the fields value are equal, then what we need to do, we need to give the particular discount of that one. So we are on the quote line on the partner discount object, we are giving the discount. What is the discount value of this one? So how it will comparing, if this is satisfied, let's suppose the hardware product family is the hardware and partner level of the quote is platinum, then we are giving the partner discount to 5%, then it will update the partner discount to 5%. Here the you need to perform the same thing, that you need to update the source field. Let me show you. Let me edit object. Here you need to perform the same thing, that you also need to update the API name to this field, source lookup fields. Okay. So you need to update the field API name from here. So this is the API name for this particular object. You need to update the API name for from here also. Okay. So it will update the your value. Okay. So now we will go to the perform the demo also on the quote object. So I'm creating a this is the things. Okay. So I am platinum and product family is hardware, then 5% discount, platinum and software, then 10% discount, and gold and hardware is 7%. So I'm for the time being, I'm using the platinum partner level, and hardware and software both product I'm using right now. Okay. So I'm taking the example of this one. So I'm choosing the partner level here. So platinum I'm choosing, and now we will add the product here. Go to edit line. Remove this product right now. Time being. Add product. A product family is hardware. Let me take this example. Hardware. What is the software? Software. Any software. Okay. Click on select. Now here you can see these things. Okay. What is the discount from here? So as you see in the sheet, uh, platinum hardware 5% discount, platinum software 10% discount. Okay. So as you see here, 5% discount means this is a hardware product. Okay. The product family of this things is hardware. So that's the reason it is a 5% discount. Okay. And here you can see the 10% discount. 10% discount. This is a software product. Now click on save. Now again I will create another thing. Let me copy this one, and again now I'm taking the duplicacy. I'm creating a duplicate record in the partner. I'm inserting the partner discount level discount object. Okay. Now I will show you that what is the issue which is occurred. Okay. So now you can see here. Okay, go to the code and edit line. what inserted where software now you can again add product, and now you can select the product family is software. Okay, click on select. Here it is coming this error message. Yeah, see, you can see multiple result written from the query. Please contact to us at time. So because why this error is coming up? Because there is a for the combination being there is a two records is coming. For there is a two records is coming up. So what is the records is coming? So for this one, let me show you the example. Comma name from partner, comma partner, partner level, and partner partner family. Okay, you see. Okay, so for platinum, there is a three records is coming up. Okay, platinum hard for software, platinum software. So for two records is coming, and partner discount. You see, there's a two records duplication is there. So for this one also, so that's the reason it will not the Salesforce CPQ didn't understand what is the exact value we are taking, either 10 or 15. So for that, always when you are creating a custom lookup queries, always think about that. Okay, so the result what you are doing there is always coming in a single result. So for better being, so always come up with a single one, single records. Okay, so this is all about the lookup queries we have here. Okay, okay, this is all about the lookup queries. So for this one, we we need to define all the things. So what we have discussed today, uh, so we will discuss today that what is the lookup queries, and how we will create the lookup object. In that lookup object we will define that when we are getting the data from multiple ways, then only we will create the lookup object. In that lookup object we will store the we will store the data, and we use that data, we compare the data values to the particular data sets. Okay, so this is all about that one. Okay, so okay guys, so let's meet in the another session in the this thing. Thank you all, and thank you Panther School for giving.